Hello, friend, how are you all? I have brought you a special product which I am going to unveil to you now. Product name, Video Hero Review. Product description: with the growth of social media and online marketing, businesses are continuously seeking for creative methods to produce interesting video content in order to draw in their target audience. Video content is king in the digital age. With the help of video creation tools, users may produce videos of a professional caliber without having to invest in expensive equipment or possess advanced technical skills. One of the newest video making programs on the market, Video Hero, will be examined in this article along with its features, advantages, and general use. Table of contents. Introduction: Video content in the digital age. What is Video Hero? Features of Video Hero. How to use Video Hero, pros and cons of Video Hero, pricing and plans, alternatives to Video Hero, customer support and reviews, conclusion, FAQs. What is Video Hero? With the help of the cloud-based video creation platform Video Hero, users may quickly and easily produce high-quality videos. The stage has a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, a high selection of editable templates, and a voluminous collection of stored-up video and photos. Moreover, users of Video Hero have entry to a high selection of editing tools, such as special impact, color grading, and audio editing. Get 3 simple methods. Video Hero Money Method Number 1. Sell the done-for-you products as training and charge $97. Video Hero Money Method Number 2. Create a high-ticket training mastermind and get paid $997 over and over again. Video Hero Money Method Number 3. Create a highly profitable sales funnel. Features of Video Hero: customizable templates. Video Hero offers users a wide range of customizable templates, allowing them to create professional quality videos quickly and easily. Stock media. The site offers a vast library of stock media, making it simple to discover the ideal visuals for your film. Audio editing. Video Hero offers users access to a range of audio editing tools, including background music and sound effects. The site has sophisticated color grading tools that let users change the hue and tone of their films to get the desired effect. Special effects. Video Hero also offers users access to a range of special effects, including text overlays and transitions. How to use Video Hero. Using Video Hero is simple and intuitive. The first option available to consumers is a selection of modifiable templates, including commercials, social media videos, and product demonstrations. Users can change the text, pictures, and video to fit their needs after choosing a template. Additionally, the platform provides a variety of editing options, such as modifying audio, color management, and special effects, enabling users to quickly and simply produce a video of high quality. Pros and cons of Video Hero. Pros: interface that's easy to use. Video Hero has been created with a drag-and-drop interface that's simple enough for even new users to understand. Customizable templates. The platform offers a wide range of customizable templates, making it easy to create professional quality videos quickly and easily. Stock footage and images. Video Hero features an extensive library of stock footage and images, making it easy to find the right visuals for your video. Advanced editing tools. The platform offers a range of advanced editing tools, including audio editing, color grading, and special effects, allowing users to create a professional quality video without the need for expensive equipment or technical knowledge. Yes, when you get this now, you get access to exclusive bonuses designed to enhance your results. Although these bonuses have been purchased by others, you get them for free when you get Video Hero now. Why do I need to get this right now? The discount on Video Hero is going away soon. If you close this page and come back later, you'll end up paying more for access. You should get Video Hero. If you're just starting out, struggling to get results, or you're just looking for a massive shortcut to success, then Video Hero will help you get results quickly and effectively. What kind of income is possible with this? I'll show you how I've been able to use this system to make thousands of dollars within a few days and well over $1 million selling simple videos. 100% money back guarantee. You have no risk when you get Video Hero right now. Although the discounted price, the exclusive real-life case study, and the bonuses worth $813 should make getting Video Hero right now a no-brainer. That I don't want anything to stop you from getting this now. That's why I'm going to remove all the risk and give you the next 30 days to make sure this is for you. With this no questions asked money back guarantee, you have no risk. Here's how it works. Get Video Hero right now and lock in the special, discounted price. Claim the free bonuses valued at $231. Follow the included training and case study to use Video Case to create your online empire, then decide if this is really for you. If you change your mind for any reason, just let me know, and I'll send you a refund. The only way you can lose is by not getting Video Hero right now. Get these fast action bonuses. Bonus number 1, Fast Action Guide, worth equals $67. Bonus number 2, Secret Tools, worth equals $67. Bonus number 3, Traffic, worth equals $97.